Semana guys, how are you guys? Igama Josie, I'm a storyteller. Ngikhuluma izinto ezenzeka real life. Ufuna istory nesigaxa esenzeke empilweni yakho ongakhona ukuthi usitshela the next person or abantu ophila nabo or if my family members wakho ungangi-inbox ku TikTok. Mina ngizokupha inamba la ungarecorda istory sakho. Mina ngize nendlebe wena uze nendaba and ngize ngapha kubalaleli bethu ngibathulele indaba yakho and bakuphi advice. And then ngiyabonga laba abahlala babuya everyday Nkosi uNkulunkulu wami ngizohlala nginibonga everyday. Ngiyabonga but subscribe ay subscribe ngeke. Solo siku 21 angeke. Sofika nini ku 50 na ku 100 ngiyacela. Please like and share ama videos wami ukuthi abantu abaningi bakhona ubona because of Remo community ethushananga rikothushana ngabotsebotsi sancedisana ngoba inkinga zomhlaba yazazipheli nokuthi uzibulale raduze ngaphuthela abantu abangakwazi bakutshela ukuthi yentombazana baleka or hey hamba uyokwenza or wethandaza or hey hamba uyemfuleni yogeza or hamba uyokuba phansi yokhuluma. Each and every advice enibhala lana siyasifunda nabantu ababhalile itori bayasifunda. Engiyabonga guys kakhulu kelebo hawo mina hani for traditional kunalenyona. So nasi story. Okay, usisi awushozi. Sisothu usisi udine uyangibhalela usisi. Okay, mina ngintomazana ngiyasebenza ngisingili angisingili ngithwere matoho bona nginalo uthwara matoho kamo ngithware kamo if kuyalunga kulunga if akulunga ubhede ngiqalise phansi ngibe single completely. So ke ngwana ngiyasebenza ngi right. So one of my friends umntwana Kevele bekadlala i-rugby. So makadlala i-rugby kube ukuthi bona bayezodlala ngapha kule ndawo la ngihlala khona. Ufriend la hlala khona is 3 hours away. So abantwana bazodlala ngapha for weekend i-rugby. Angifonela friend umntwana uzodlala ibhola ngapho. So i-rugby ngapho sorry. So esizoza for a weekend. Please asihlangane and then befuthi after rugby match like sis keep him man like global enjoy life. Okay sharp uthi ngigeze ngihlangane nabo sihambe sobukela abantwana after lapho ukuthi ke lesasikhipha later on. Uthi awushozi arele mo rugby field yabona. Hi ufriend wami athi no man I know this guy uthi this guy angikhulumise. So uma ngikhulumisa kube ukuthi ufriend uthi hi man lo muntu lo ngiyamazi ngafunda naye high school but manje like uchabi global like why aliso obona ngithi hi friend phela if mina umuntu angangibona manje from ongana na high school obviously mawuguga vele uyawugain umzimba. So because of rehudile man that's why like imizimba yethi shintshile yabona. Uthi vele ambizi ngegama Timothy awuwelo. Timothy was like no emakinya kubulo wena kinya kubulana ngiyana lenyena ongikhahlile yabona. Uthi angibulise vele uTimothy hi ubani kamla mudinewo ubani uTimothy. Okay you know what Dinewo angizokhuluma nawe manje lana ngicela ukuthi ungiphe number yakho sesisokhuluma. Hayi vele kube ukuthi nami ngithole ipiece job anyway so lina ke marketing kulona uthi ngiphe uTimothy inamba yami athi okay ngizokufonela ke. Okay hayi i-rugby iphele hayi kube ukuthi sekulate sihambe sisikhiphe kube mnandi man kube mnandi ya mngani noma hambe ke uthi following day ugaya ngifonela hi how are you sharp igama lami ngubani Timothy ini uthi indaba vele kube yileyo. Hayi uGuy vele angifonele athi no besihlangane for lunch sizokhona ukukhuluma. Uthi ngitshela ufriend ukuthi you know what friend man this guy hayi man umzimba wakhe kilobona like athi yabona lamadoda lawo ubona ukuthi baphuza medication like baphuza chronic medication or babajwa akrayamotho like la kanganonanga kakhulu nalezi nyaweni but unalomkhabanyana. So athi lomkhabanyana uthi ngithi hi friend lomkhabanyana lo ngathi labantu laba baphuza ama ARV yabona. Uthi friend athi wena friend uqalile ngidiagnose abantu busy diagnose abantu yana lo muntu awumukuthi lo muntu nonini. Uthi ngithi no friend man muthu amusolela ikilobona kube conversation engiba nayo nomngane wami. Okay lunch ifike mayifika uGuy vele ayisikhuluma saxoxa uthi masibhizi sixoxa. uGuy first time angimbona lesasikhathi beyangagcoka ngewedding ring. Second time masihlangana for that lunch angagcoka ngewedding ring. So uthi makhuluma uthi no we yabona ufaka uwikaningi. Uthi ngimbuza ukuthi ha muGuy kanti mawuthi ukhuluma ngubani because like it's you at uthi ngimbuza ngithi are you married? Okay athi yeah I'm married. Is it a problem? uthi hayi ngicabanga ukuthi hayi ngekho lipiece job anyway kulobona nami ngifuna ukuzikhipha busy ngithi hayi kind of but no it's fine akunankinga uthi okay sharp uthi hayi awushozi kube ukuthi vele mina noGuy vele indaba yethu iqale ngo2024 kube ukuthi mina noGuy vele sesiyaqala ke siyadata but uGuy because of married asumuntu horibona nang every day siyabonana there and there maybe ungambona once or twice a month sibe together no it's fine uthi awushozi ke ngoyana olengmo mina ngiyayiphuza ke iprep because of inama piece job so ke ngoyana prep akitlohele prep ikuqona le prep kuphilo baka uthi okay sharp mina noGuy siyabonana there and there uGuy ilabo uGuy laba aba financially stable Guy unamathenda uGuy unemali Guy well off or right uGuy une farm Guy unezilwane ke farmer rapila no problem uthi uGuy vele kube ukuthi mina naye siyabonana mangipostile something ngakhona ubona wakhona uviwa the status tracker things like that hayi uGuy one time umngane wami vele u decide vele sipostile vele sisikhiphile kumonati uGuy vele angi-add WhatsApp hey how are you ukuphi hayi ngitshela ukuthi no ngisikhiphile in athi no ngicela ukuthi uze ngapha come to my farmhouse ikilobona thola ukuthi uGuy la ahlala khona mina ngihlala 20 minutes away from edolobheni yena uhlala 30 minutes away from Kotoropong so udlula Khawfili yabona ukhona udlula kwami then ufika kaGuy yabona mawuya Kotoropong okay sharp ha uthi uGuy athi yimi athi ngicela uze ngapha ngiyaza nomngane wakho ngina something engiyenzile yabona nabangani bami okay sharp ngithi hayi mina yazi la ungitshela ukuthi khona ngizi akena petrol athi no why khuluma ngepetrol cala nini imali uyinkinga so uGuy vele athumele imali hayi mina no girls bakeke ama overnight bags sihambe ke sirako farmhousing ya Guy uthi awushozi masifika lapha umuntu kanti farmhouse akhuluma ngayo ukwakhe like ke hayi modula nguteni limsada hayi uthi awushozi sifika uthi masifika vele like kune izindlu uthi thina siphaka vele next to la athi asikhombe athi nina phakani this side yabona uthi ngiphake lapho awushozi la sikhoma khona cedana nahambe like ekidini athi bona ngizonikhomba la nizolala khona hayi singene kanti uGuy usisa ku main bedroom yakhe nomfazi wakhe obana banna o tlula khotsa every day ka motho ba reng ke monna uthatha kanjani like your side chick nomngani wakhe ubafake ku main bedroom indoda yakhe umfazi wakho yakho nomfazi wakho hayi awushoze uthi singene uthi mina ngiphake imoto inewe ukuthi ngakuthi angeke iphume today so uyophuma tomorrow kodwa awushoze masifika lapha yana ku right uhlabile uthi futhi uthethe nemvuvu uhlabile kuyibray kuna everything kuna wena snack kuna maplata kuna everything vele uhostile uGuy kumnandi uthi hayi sifika uthi kulawana like mawufika endaweni knowing ukuthi hayi uhamba kusasa like izinto zakho zibeka save lisikhe sami semoto ngivele ngasilahla nje ngathi hayi ngizosibona ekseni kulabona ngavele ngasponsor phakathi kwebag mabhek wethu siwafakile because of thina size Friday sizojika Monday morning uthi okay sharp imoto siphakile kumna orhumunade awushozi so brothers imoto yakho iphake ngaphandle so mayiphake ngaphandle semanje ufuna amakhakhizi wemoto yakhe kuyafuniwa amakhakhizi ayafuniwa akatholiwa vele ngiyaphuthulula konke indawo angatholi namalama bag la yabona lama bag aphatha abantu abanemali lawo amancane la unebhekele uthi awusisi ngivula ibag ngilahla everything vele like phezu kombed I want to check ngifuna ucheck phela ukuthi angafakanga la kule bag le lamakhi uthi mangicitha ibag phezu kombed like ukuwa like niyabona le container le yamapilisi but lena slim edele ende kuba ngathi kaningi vani kuba namapilisi lawa like mawafaka emanzini then abanegwebu so abalefoam nibiza lawa ngathi afizi so mawafaka kuba nama bubbles nabiza ngizontshela hayi lamapilisi la ofake phakathi kwale container ye-Lingtagon niyibona i-Lingtagon yayi lethu uthi orange niwafake emanzini amazi laba orange nangibamba ngisho ukuthi ningibambile ngiyalazi msinya ngibamba basinya yabona uthi makacitha like lebheka icithele embedeni so uthi normally lamaphilisi la like akayenzi sound ahlala thulile uthi ngithize mangithi ulento le container yamaphilisi lawo uthi something in me ithi vula le container why le container irasa so why yabona uthi ngivule uthi mangithi claps uthi ngibona ukuthi lamaphilisi la ngaphakathi ayisilawa okumele ukuthi abe phakathi kwale container uthi ngiwathele esandleni usuza kwatshela ntsoko ngibona or no man lawa ma-ARV uthi igcikwane leli ngilazi kakhulu because of my cousin bekaphuza ibekawule medication le waze washona kule gcikwane leli my friends baphuza ama-ARV uthi ngiwazi kahle that's why very cautious when coming to this thing ke lokho ma prep and ngikhona ukumbona umuntu mawulko medication hore medication ikushintsha kanjani especially mawindoda akhona ujampisa uthi asijozi hayi uthi uvalo lingenzeni phela nomuntu lo ngihlangana naye 2024 manje roko 2026 and first time asijozi asiyangalena umuntu bekangafuneki ivikela bekangayifuni at all nasayibhatle and like for me yangiphatha kabuhlungu ukuthi lo muntu lona like uyazi ukuthi so watsiba onyetsi uyazi ukuthi so uphuza ne-medication why angangitsheli ukuthi no so athi beside lesasikhathi sizoya kwecansini kokuqala uthi asizoze vele ngalwa ngathi you know what ke batla protection in yabona uthi hayi umuntu wala ngase ngathi you know what the following day ngihamba ngifuna i-prep clinic uguy wathi okay no I'll give you money ukuthi uphuze medication uthi like it was his chance leso sikhathi ukuthi angathi you know what ngoba manje soqala ukuphuza i-prep ngicela ukuthi uqhubeke ungasayeki sisesekule relationship akhuluma manga ke at least athi ngizama ukuprotecta umfazi wami you know because of I'm married bengizo understand so uguy wavele wathula yena uthi manje sengiyahlanya ke sengiyakhala ke uthi ngimbisi phela abantu bambhekisa iski uthi ngimbisi uthi amaphilisi ngiwabusele phakathi econtainer ngivalile uthi ngimbuze ngithi ngiphethe lamaphilisi phela like this ngithi what is this yabona okay athi yini what is this uthi hayi lamaphilisi lawo amaphilisi kankosikazi we high blood ngithi we high blood asiya we high blood ngithi mbuzo ukuthi ngicela ukubuza yini lokho abantu uthi ngwavule futhi ke ungathi esandleni mangithi esandleni ngithi wakabandla amaphilisi la ngicela ukuthi nje uqiniso athi no amaphilisi lawa akamalumami uthi ngimbuzo manje amaphilisi abangamaluma afuna nebhegi nakho and makalana umaluma wakho aphuza isikhathi bani makakuwela amaphilisi wabona or awushoze kibona urubona moke hlakahlakani ngisengithakahlakane manje sengifuna uhamba ke manje ngithi no ngcono ngihambe uthi uguy athathe ikhaze imoto yami athathe imoto yami vele aphume vele ahambe uthi awushoze imoto athatha the whole day kuze kube mina ngimfonele ngithi you know what ngcono vele ngicela ukuthi ubuyise imoto yethu ngoba vele mina ngiyahamba ngisalala uthi umuntu ahlanye athi waniqaba ukuthi ngi-HIV ngakufala ngokugula wathatha kanje uthi umuntu ahafe or awushoze imoto ahafe from 0 to 200 ahafe uthi awusoze vele ngisho ukuthi no what ngicela ukuthi ubuyise imoto mina ngicela uhamba angeke ngisalala lana so ngiyahamba umuntu vele uthi abuye very late makabuya ube ngipaka amabheki mina no friend vele retsamaya or awusoze tell me if I'm wrong ngicela ukuthi ningitshele ukuthi if I'm wrong lo muntu lona the whole day ahambile azange ngimfonele bengimnikeza i-chance ukuthi at least angifonele ke athi asihlangane ngaphandle sambe maybe drive to a safe place la singahlala khona angichazele ukuthi no ngiyadalwa la stuff like that azange angifonele the whole day ahambile ukuthi you know what kwenzeke sona so I apologize if ngakakutshelanga akacabanga ukuthi infectile na why like asanahanele na esepese ngikho bona asuze umuntu ahambe nami vele kube ukuthi makabuya vele nami ngihlaba isikemotweni ngidrive vele ngihambe after that umuntu ngithola ama message engicela ukuthi afuna ukuhamba nami lunch can we go out for lunch can we go out for breakfast uthi umuntu indaba le akayicali akayiphathi manje so yangibribe ke ngenza imali ke awusijozeni umfaka 10k nawo igesi yaphakama na imali ipetrol bathi yakhuphuka ngikuthumelile imali ukuthi ufila lapha ipetrol yakho awusozi ubusy umfohla ngemali akakhulumi the main issue and mina I'm waiting for him ukuthi ayiqale and apologize ukuthi you know what I was wrong 1 2 3 4 uthi mina ngimele umuntu ukuthi apologize ahlaloshe mabaka ha gore why afihla ukuthi unecukwane uthi awusozina no akangakhulumanga next aketsebe u relationship itswela pili or ifedile uthi into ongikhuluma ngayo yenzeke last week so angawuthi relationship iyaphambili or bang because I feel ukuthi mina I say phambili because of now ungipha imali like now I'm waiting for ukuthi umuntu athathe accountability and I confirm ukuthi you know what le medication and ngiyaxolisa ukuthi angakutshelanga and ngiyaxolisa ura awushozi ngivele ngamtshela ngathi you know what ngifuna ukuyo testa ngibe sure ukuthi nginegative now hayi uthi ngiye kwa doctor ngihambe ngiyochecka eclinic ngihambe ngiyotesta ama results abuye negative so bangitshela ukuthi due to ukuthi medication angisi infected or ashoze ke motse but still uguy akafuna uthatha accountability or ashoze in everything yakubona konke lokho lo muntu lo ushadile I understand ukuthi ushadile nimi ngavele ngazifaka ngavuma ngathi no it's fine kyamohela urungithi uthi nanoma silapha nanoma ngingaba naye mfazi wakhe akamfoneli so I feel ukuthi lo mfazi wakhe kahle uyolethe this thing emfazini wakhe and nalemsali abasana touches I don't fazi unobali mo because of financially guy stable. Number 3 uguy like asimoto hore ungathi uthembe kuye like umuntu sibonana twice a month shushu kleli la khona uhamba lala yonke indawo like urobala without protection and kamo unyithi are red flag ekima lo muntu lo ushadile but akansiphathanga kahle. I'm waiting for him to apologize and take accountability awushozi ayenke so am I wrong for ukuthi clear relationship le ayinamo yankoteng I think gore it's better iphele so mina ngithi ngoba ngisabonani enuguy ngoba kafuna utsa accountability and nobona or every problem ivalwa ngemali wena sisithatha imali teka mali lungisa imoto lungisa la ufuna ulungisa khona petha ikoto zakho renovate indlu yakho yenza anything and everything you can ngale mali kupha yona angirona child oyikhuphele mara ngisho akacela imali bayamupha because of okay akafuna ukusiphiphela sitsho hore atshela abantu ukuthi umuntu ojwanga so umfohla ngemali akathatha imali aziphe umlomo aziphe namathanga impilo iqhubeke phambili until nabona hore angisamuphe le ntombazana imali ki enough imali sosibulala mara abafana bazosifaka ecebe lethu yazi kane trotoroba la ko di fridge sizo ayisa siphende kuyidodwana ngiyantshela nethi ngabafana kaba if usisibeka ngasila beside ukuthi let's say ubrothers bayangayiphuzi kahle medication and if usisibeka ngasila aku prep bekuzokwenzakalani hayi mama yazini and for a person as ukuthi like unegcikwane and uyalimanage kahle ukuphuza kahle medication wayangasho why umuntu ungamtsheli usaqala ukuthi you know what nake moskepeng se so if usafuna ukuthi skepe siyaphambili mina ngigibelele skepe siso and give more medication so it's up to you as a person to decide ukuthi uyafuna ukuqhubeka ngale relationship or uyayeka but it's safe ukuthi umuntu umtshele nisaqala ukuthi ngisona so I love you but nake more situationing hayi ukuthi ufihle and then umuntu mafind out yakwata uyazikwatisa ujike qedala nama ungafuna admit ukuthi wrong ube umseleku utsechelete ufohle problem ka chelete I know man hi guys ngicela advice yenu sisi nibe right bye bye.